Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix login problem on Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. There are several methods of doing it. Just follow the following methods one by one. First of all, open up any of your browser of your choice and check if the servers on Discord are down or are they working properly. To check it, simply search for down detector. Inside the search bar, open this site. After that, search for Discord in the given search bar and you can see that there's no problem and the servers are working properly. Another method is that disable any VPN or proxy if it's enabled. To disable any of them, simply open settings by pressing Windows plus I. Inside settings, open the network tab and locate VPN in the left side menu. Now disable both of the features like this and move on to proxy. Just like VPN, disable this option from here too. And after that, if this method also didn't work, then try clearing browsing history. You can do it simply by opening the browser. Open the menu using these three dots and selecting clear browsing data inside more tools. Another method is by resetting your browser. To do it, simply open up your browser and click on those three dots again. Inside this drop-down menu, locate settings and open it up. Here, select reset option from the left side menu and reset the browser. You can also download Discord application by searching discord.com in the preferred browser. Then click on the download button available in front of you. This will download the application automatically, and after downloading, install it and try logging in. You can also try clearing the cache by opening Run by pressing Windows plus R and typing in the following command. Delete the folders I just deleted and close it. These methods should solve any problem with the Discord login. And that's how you can fix login problem on Discord. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.